Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best eyelash curler is probably one of the most underrated beauty tools out there, but trust me, it's a game changer. If you're looking to instantly elevate your look and achieve that wide-eyed, fluttery effect, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of eyelash curlers, exploring everything from the different types available to the techniques that will give you the best results. Number 5. E.L.F. Pro Eyelash Curler. Want long-lasting, eye-opening lift for your lashes? This curler makes lashes appear longer and more voluminous. It's the perfect tool for achieving that desired look. This lash curler is designed with an ergonomic shape, making it comfortable and easy to use. You'll find it simple to incorporate into your daily routine. The specially designed contoured curve and stronger spring make curling your lashes easy and safe. It gives you a beautiful, longer-lasting curl that will stay all day. Don't worry about wear and tear. This curler comes with an additional plastic rubber pad. It's easy to replace, ensuring the curler maintains its effectiveness. Like all E.L.F. products, this curler is made with skin-loving ingredients. You can trust that it's cruelty-free and vegan, offering quality at a great price. What we like? This curler gives you a long-lasting, eye-opening lift. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable and easy to use. If you are looking for a curler that provides a beautiful, longer-lasting curl and includes an extra rubber pad, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. This curler lifted my lashes well and the design is comfortable to use. It exceeded my expectations. The E.L.F. Pro Eyelash Curler has a strong spring and a contoured shape that fits the eye comfortably. It curls lashes evenly without pulling or pinching, and the grip feels sturdy in hand. Number 4. Tweezerman Classic Eyelash Curler. This best-selling lash curler gives your natural lashes a dramatically beautiful curl. It's easy to use, making it a must-have for everyone, from beginners to experts. The curler reaches every lash, creating a wide-awake look. The sleek, ergonomic design ensures a smooth opening and closing action for precise performance. The thick, rounded silicone lash pads won't crimp or stick to lashes, unlike rubber pads. It comes with 3 replacement pads, ensuring long-lasting use. Always curl lashes before applying mascara. Open your eyes wide to insert and center lashes. Hold the handles firmly and gently squeeze at the base of your lash line. Clean the pads after use with an alcohol wipe. Replace the pads every 3 months and the curler itself after a year. Remember to always curl before applying mascara. What we like? This curler creates a wide-awake look by curling lashes from base to tip. It reaches every lash for an effortless curl. If you are looking for a curler that won't crimp or stick to lashes, this one with silicone pads is a great choice. What people say. The lash curler is easy to use. The design is great. Curls my lashes perfectly. Number 3. Tweezerman Neon Pink Eyelash Curler. This curler helps you achieve a wide-awake look. It curls lashes from base to tip. This tool is designed to make your eyes pop. The curler is designed to reach every single lash. This ensures a perfect curl every time. You'll love how easy it is to use. It features an ergonomic handle for added comfort and control. This design makes it easy to use. You'll find it fits perfectly in your hand. The smooth opening and closing action ensures precise performance. This allows for a perfect curl without any crimping. It's a must-have for your makeup routine. It has thick, rounded silicone lash pads that are hypoallergenic. Unlike rubber pads, they won't crimp or stick to your lashes. Always curl your lashes before applying mascara for the best results. What we like? The ergonomic handle design of this curler provides added comfort and control. It offers a smooth opening and closing action for precise performance. If you like a curler with hypoallergenic pads, this one is perfect for you. What people say. It's made of high-quality stainless steel and gives a perfect, long-lasting curl every time. The design is comfortable to hold and precise, making it easy to reach every lash without pinching. It gives me that perfect, natural-looking curl without pinching or tugging, which used to be a problem with other brands. Number 2. Kaasage Eyelash Curler Kit. This eyelash curler is a must-have tool for achieving perfect curls effortlessly. It lifts your natural lashes, giving you a soft curl and a voluminous look in just seconds. With a simple squeeze and hold, you can easily get the curled lashes you desire. A couple of clamps in the morning will give you a natural-looking curl that lasts all day, making your makeup perfect. The kit includes 5 extra replacement silicone pads, providing great value. These soft pads not only look nice but also help shape your lashes with minimal pressure. Remember to always curl your lashes before applying mascara. Hold the curler for a few seconds after squeezing, and make sure to remove any remaining eye makeup for the best results. Looking for a great gift for your loved ones? This eyelash curler comes in a beautiful gift-ready package. It's the perfect choice for your girlfriend, wife, besties, or friends. What we like? This curler helps you achieve perfect curls in seconds with a simple squeeze. It is effortless to use, giving you a natural-looking curl that lasts all day. If you are looking for a great gift, this curler comes in a beautiful gift-ready package. What people say? The design fits my eyes perfectly and gives a beautiful, natural-looking curl. My lashes stay curled all day without drooping, even after hours of wear. Not only does it have replacement parts, it also has this clear plastic piece that keeps the curler smaller in your makeup bag. Genius. And, this eyelash curler works way better than Tarte's curler. Number 1. Revlon Eyelash Curler, Precision Curl Control. This Revlon lash curler is designed by makeup professionals. It creates dramatic, curled lashes quickly and easily. It's a must-have for any makeup kit. The gentle, rounded pad ensures each lash is curled without any pinching or sticking. This design makes it comfortable to use. You'll love the results. Whether you have mascara on or not, this curler will create beautiful, upswept lashes. It works without any painful tugging or pulling. Get ready for stunning eyes. The curler is designed with comfort in mind, featuring finger grips for a non-slip experience. This ensures a secure and easy application. It's a pleasure to use. This Revlon eyelash curler is a versatile beauty tool, designed to fit most eye shapes. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their lashes. Try it today. What we like? This curler is designed by makeup professionals, making it easy to use. It curls each hair without any crimping, pinching, or sticking. If you want a curler with a comfortable, non-slip grip, this one is a great option. What people say? It curls my lashes and doesn't pinch my skin. This one finally grabbed most of my lashes with the exception of the very end lashes on the outside corner. The shape of this one is more curved, it also seems smaller. I've had no trouble curling and it doesn't pinch my eyelids, smiley face. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.